Windows 11 is leaving a mess, leaving many empty folders. This is what a sample folder looks like. The temporary folders are created by the provisioning packaging runtime processing tool, provtool.exe. These empty folders can be found by following the path listed here. On my main system, I emptied over 2,000 folders yesterday, but new ones seem to be created daily. I cleared them out yesterday, but 20 new folders were created during the day. Since they're empty folders, they really don't take up a lot of disk space, but it causes a lot of clutter and a mess. Removing them has no effect on the operating system, so hopefully this is something Microsoft hurries up and addresses, because it really isn't very pretty. Originally I thought that maybe the problem was because that machine that I use on a regular basis isn't really ready for Windows 11, but somehow Microsoft decided to install it instead of the Windows 10 October update. So now I'm on a computer that is definitely ready. It's my Dell. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we find on this computer. I'll start by opening up File Explorer, then go to Drive C. Next go to Windows. Next we want System 32. Select System 32. Next we want Config. Next System Profile. AppData. And then last Local. Yep, and as you can see, we've got lots of these TW whatever temp folders. If I open one, you'll see they're all empty. There's nothing there. So let's just go back to local again. And what we want to do is clean out all of these temp folders. So select the first one, go all the way down, and as you can see, there are lots of them. And this is not a machine I use on a daily basis. Hit the Shift key and enter on the last item. That selects all of them. And now I'll simply do a right click and delete all of those folders. And as you noticed here, there are 1,759 items that were all the temp folders erroneously created on a machine that I don't use that often. Unfortunately, when I come back here tomorrow, if I use the machine during the day, there are going to be new folders that again should be gotten rid of. Actually, hopefully Microsoft soon fixes the problem so they don't mess up and create a clutter on the system. That's all. That's what it takes to get rid of the garbage. If you'd like to keep your system tidy, this is one thing you should keep clean. Stay safe, stay secure. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.